Urimi wa igwa cia cukari makiria gitaru-ini gia ITHUIRO ria bururi ni undu ya miaka hau kabere watuirio nyitiririo tonga wa gitaru giki na njira nene indi umuthi uyu no kiriro thutha wa iganda nyingi kuhingwo na kurugamia mihang'o yothe ni guthianirira kwa mathiri maria umuthi makinyite ciringi birioni 117. Undu uyu niguo cungiririe thirikari nene gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere guteithiriria ithii ici gucokereria mihang'o yacio undu uria ungiteithiriria arimi a igwa gucokereria umithio ta uria mamukagira miaka ya hau kabere.
For the sugar task force.
Hindi ya gikaro gia kwaririria gucokereria kwa urimi uyu kaunti-ini ya Kakamega, Ambunge nimeraniire kwambika uthurimi wa mabuku ma mathiri ma kambuni ici kuria mekoire mathiri mamwe gukorwo matakinyaniire kurihwo.
People came from the Caribbean, people came from Fiji, from everywhere to study the success story that was Mumias. Today, Mumias is a ruin. We know the problem. We know who started it. We know who did what. If we continue blaming each other, blaming government, blaming former governments, we will not be solving the problem. When you have a problem, don't look for who to blame, look for a solution.
Kuhitukira mutaratara wa watho uria wendekithitio ni Spika Moses Wetangula na mubunge wa Navaholo Emmanuel Wangwe atongoria riu mari na mwihoko wa kwarahurwo weru kwa urimi wa igwa gitaru-ini giki riu mawatho ma urimi uyu ari mamwe ma maria matanyite kugerekwo.
Coffee is regulated, tea is regulated, pyrethrum is regulated, irrigation of rice is regulated. But we took a mistake in deregulating the growth of sugar.
It's encouraging to know that the National Treasury has moved swiftly to request Parliament to write off those debts. What we only need to also have a conversation is whether the 117 billion Kenya shillings wholly represents the 6 factories.
Kuringana na gavana wa Kakamega Fernandes Barasa, onaguo watho wa ucindani wa kiwonjoria wa mwaka wa 2012 ni umwe wa mawatho maria mabatie kurorwo wega kuona niguo waheire mweke kwirimutha gwa kambuni cia andu kiumbe iria muthia ciatobereirie kambuni cia thirikari iria ciakoretwo kuo kwa ihinda ria miaka mingi.
I want to encourage all the participants today to put all the interests, personal interests aside, waweke interests za mkulima mbele, so that we can come up with tangible solutions. 700,000 tons of sugar that is produced locally. However, the demand of sugar is almost 1.1 million tons.
Ningi arimi aigwa na atongoria kuma gicigo giki ni mendekithitio gucokio kwa bodi ya cukari iria eheririo kuhitukira watho undu umwe na kweheria igoti ria uthei wa cukari kuria ningi mendekithitio kweherio kwa watho wa kugaya icigo cia arimi na kambuni iria mangienda kwenderia igwa.
We are sorry as the 11th Parliament for having disbanded Kenya Sugar Board. We want Kenya Sugar Board back. When we disbanded Kenya Sugar Board, we created a more fast thing called AFA.
I am happy to note that the national government has covered ground in actualizing our aspirations for the sector.
Haduni ya Kameme TV leto rako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.
Today, I believe